Today is moving day. Well, the pickup that was hauling the car yesterday, we shut it off and then had a fuel problem and would not start. And so he switched vehicles, I think, and says he's on his way now. You hear that, BB? I think it's here. Welcome back. Since it sat overnight, I know at least 3 of the 4 tires are empty. So I'm gonna have to get this little pump out, get them aired back up before we take it off the trailer. Now again, the trick is now you got to pull it up. Yeah. There. Go ahead and let it out. It's rolling off now. I think we can just unhook it. And she's home.